G'day, Stu from UAVfutures here, and welcome back to another episode of Tech Tuesday, where every Tuesday we get together, we talk about some new, different, or just exciting tech in the FPV drone racing world. And today, let me tell you, it's just a quick one. It's none of those things because it's a very short video on the Frsky X-lite, and I can't believe they didn't do this in the first place. So recently, Cal and myself were over at Gearbest HQ, mainland China, shooting some videos. That's going to be coming up soon, going through Gearbest. But while I was there, I saw this on the bench, and I was like, hang on, what is that? That looks different to my X-lite that I've got at home. So I begged and pleaded, and they said, yes, you can take that home, and here it is. So we're going to be talking about this. It's a very short little video. Now, the X-lite, I'm going to link this down below as well, and I think there's a coupon code. Look, it's a very, very reliable radio. A lot of people use it, and I really like the form factor. It's easy, it fits in your hand well, all that sort of stuff. But after using it and having some more experience, something I didn't like about it was it uses these 18500 batteries, and they're a bit of a pain. But what Frsky has done, well, I'm going to put the links down below too. Now you can actually get these little caps that come on the end, and then you can turn it from, instead of an 18500, now it can rock an 18650, and the 18650s are a much, much more common battery. I know you can also use some in your Fat Shark batteries, all that sort of stuff. These 18650s almost choked. These 18650s with this radio, I think that's how it should have come out in the first place. So that's it for my quick little Tech Tuesday video. I'm going to put the links down below. Also too, there's like, I think it's like the R9 bundle or something like that for the long range receiver. That is stupid cheap at the moment. I think maybe like $140 for everything if you use the code. So it's like the long range receiver, the module that goes in the back, some crazy sort of stuff. But other than that, I'd love to know what you guys think. It's just a quick little Tech Tuesday today to get your FPV fix. But yeah, this is how it should have come out in my opinion in the first place, because these 18650s are much better. I'm not too sure if you can buy these individually, but I'll hunt around anyway. Check the links out, and I do want to give a massive shout out to Dronecraft, because look, I've got a lot of FPV shirts and a lot of FPV jumpers, and I've never really made a big song or dance about them. I just wear them on the show. It's cool to wear different t-shirts and that sort of thing. But I'm going to put the link down below to Dronecraft, because they're actually really nice. So if you're in Australia and you want some drone clothes, I think the quality of these things, well, it's enough to make me say something for my viewers anyway. And look, that's not sponsored, nothing like that. They just sent me a jumper and I figured I'd wear it, and I'm letting you guys know I actually kind of do like it, so it feels quite nice. Anyway, other than that, definitely subscribe for more FPV related Tech Tuesday, Frsky X-lite, extra caps 18650 nonsense, and as always, happy flying. Need to work a little bit to respond to the customers. So put good products and also have good customer service. Because sometimes my viewers get upset at the customer service.
So customer service is very important.
Yeah, okay. And I think if you can improve that, more people will enjoy using Gearbest.